Oxford Reading Circle, Book 1. Chapter 2. Two Little Dicky Birds. Two little Dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Exercises. A. Read aloud. Dicky, Tricky, Nicky, other, mother, brother, back, sack, Jack. B. Answer the following. Question 1. Who are Peter and Paul? Answer. Peter and Paul are two little Dicky birds. Question 2. Where do they sit? Answer. They sit upon a wall. Question 3. What do they do? Answer. First, they fly away. C. Can you make pairs? A. Dicky, bunny, pussy, teddy, puppy. B. Rabbit, bear, bird, dog, cat. Answer. Matching pairs. Dicky, bird. Bunny, rabbit. Pussy, cat. Teddy, bear. Puppy, dog. Duck, luck. Bull, pull. Dog, frog. Pail, sail. Mill, pill. Shut, but.